Hello! Today I'm showing you the Silt Stitch. It's a 2 repeat stitch, actually very easy. Let's get started. I'm making a slip knot and chains multiple 3. And double crochet to the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm working on the back loops because I want nicer edge. Go through the 4th chain, yarn over, pull through back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops on your hook, and make double crochet in every chain in the row. This is the first row. Next row, start chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet to the 1st stitch. This is the 2nd V from the hook. Go through, yarn over, pull through back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops in your hook, and 2 double crochet to the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet to the same stitch, and repeat all the way across. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet, 2 double crochet, end of the row, single crochet to the top of the 4 chain, the turning chain, next row, chain 3, turn your work, skip the first stitch because this 3 chain counts as a double crochet, so yarn over and start from the second stitch, double crochet in every stitches all the way across. Repeat these 2 rows until you reach the desired size. So the next one is chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet and 2 double crochet for the first stitch. Skip 2 and single crochet, double crochet. That's all.